Hi guys, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and today I'm going to color my own hair. So it is March 28th, 2020, and we're in the midst of this. I'm opening the door so I can get some fresh air. We're in the midst of this coronavirus outbreak and can't get my hair done, so I'm starting to get kind of blah by my hair, so I thought I'm gonna just color it myself. And I watched several YouTube videos and I found this L'Oreal Color Expert Express Color and Highlights in a Flash. So I'm gonna use this. This is the 6.1. It is light ash brown. It's cooler tones. It's good for dark brown hair. So couple of things that I learned. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not gonna like do anything special with my hair or put it up. So see how my hair it's kind of dark up here and it kind of starts, you can see some growth. I just want to cover some of that up because I want it to be a little darker and then go more blonde. So I want more dark on the top, a little bit. So it's more gradual, not so like dark and then highlights. Outgrowth. So you can see I have a few grays, just a few, but they're kind of, I look tired. It's late. It's like 8:30. So I took the, out of the box. I love how everything is packaged individually. Everything is labeled. So somebody at home can do this. So I took the 1A cream developer, that's this, and I added the color base, which is the 1B, tube of 1B, all of this, and I put it in this. So this is all, it's in here, and now it says to shake it up, okay? So it says to secure it really good, shake it, point it away from your face, shake thoroughly until the mixture is totally blended. Okay, let me throw that other thingy away. So the first thing, the cool thing about this kit, it's got the dark and it has the light. So I'm gonna go dark. I'm gonna put in some more dark, make this a little more rich tones and not so blonde up at the top. I want my blondes to start a little bit lower. So I'm just gonna cover some of the blonde up, and you'll notice like it's not very even. So like, you know, it's like really like a chunk of blonde here, but then it's not very, I don't know, it's just not very, the highlights are kind of blending together now. It doesn't really look highlighted, except I got this big chunk right here, which, you know, maybe I want to frame my face and put some more blonde in the front, you know, and on the sides a little bit. I read the box. It said it makes you look younger that way. So, I know I have this ugly sore right here, but I really wanted to make this video. So I'm like, screw it. I don't care. I'm making this video. So you want to put on the gloves that it came with. And just so you know, I'm sorry, let me take that back. You want to put on gloves, okay? It came with these, which remind me of like working in like a cafeteria. They're like really fat, like really, like, I mean, you'll have a lot of room and it's hard to like grab things. So what I do is I use these gloves, which are like those latex tight gloves, and I have to wear my glasses so I can see. So, oh well. So put these on, and these puppies are a little more. All right, so I shook this up, right? I shook this really good. So now I'm just gonna touch up the color. So I wanna, looks pretty mixed. Shake it up a little more just for good measure. And yeah, we're just gonna cover up some of those because I'm kind of starting fresh a little bit. You know, I've got the highlights here, so I'm gonna just break off the tip, just like that. So I just snapped it off. There's the tip came off. Throw that away. And then I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna try not to squirt it in my face and keep it on my hair. And try not to put it on the scalp because I think that would burn or not feel very good. So, you know, I do want to cover up those grays, I want to cover up the dark, and I want to pull that color through a little bit, down a little bit, because I want to cover up some of this blonde here. Because like I said, I'm gonna start fresh. So I apologize, I make some funky faces when I'm doing this, but the smell is a little strong. I mean, it's not like, you know, those days when we used to all do perms. Yeah, that was pretty bad when it was like permy flavor, permy smell, right? Now, I'm gonna just be real generous with this because you can't save this stuff. You cannot. You have to throw it away when you're done. So I'm just gonna pull it through. Be real generous. And keep on doing that. You can also use a brush for this. Came with this little thing right here. You could put that on if you want to get more, like, make sure you're covering up those, whatever. You can do that. You can just put it on the glove like that and just like get in there. Okay, I definitely want those grays to be covered up, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. Make sure that's really in there. Pull it through. Now with this color, it says you only want to do it for like 10 minutes. So, I mean, 10 minutes, that's good. Now this color, light ash, wasn't it light ash brown? Might actually lighten my brown up, which is fine. As long as I don't really get like a red, I'm happy with that. I don't really want a red hair look. And I can't see the back of my hair, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be fine. I'm just trying to, you know, not have it be real blondie. I want more controlled highlights. I'm gonna put those highlights in myself. So I want to do this myself, and I want to have that control. So I'm just gonna put that in there. So bringing that dark into these pieces, and then I'll do my own highlights when I'm done. There. So I'm just gonna keep on going like that, and then in a little bit I'm gonna wash it out, shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna dry my hair. And once it's dry, then I'm gonna put in those highlights, and I'm gonna kind of do like a balayage. I can't even say it. Balayage, because I want it to be like kind of gradual highlights, and I want it to be really blonde at the ends. So I'm gonna try that, and if I feel really brave, and if my blonde, because I have some pretty blonde hair here, and if I can lighten that up even more, I might do some peekaboo purple. I got this purple color, L'Oreal. It is purple 400. It says it lasts approximately 5 to 10 shampoos, so I might even do that. So I'm just gonna keep going with this. I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna shampoo that, and I will be back.